turabasuhuje nshuti bakunzi bacu kuri Liberty Speaking TV, aho tubigisha indimi zitandukanye. Hello dear friends, followers of Liberty Speaking TV, from which we teach you different languages. Nitwa Uwingabye Jean de Dieu nk'uko mubimenyereye. My name is Jean de Dieu Uwingabye. Nkabanje kubigisha Ikinyarwanda. And I'm here to teach you Kinyarwanda lesson. Ku bantu b'abanyamahanga, nagira ngo mbabwire ko uyu munsi tugiye kubigisha isomo rizabafasha gusobanukirwa neza ururimi rw'Ikinyarwanda, umurongo ku murongo. Iyo tuvuga mu rurimi urwo ari rwose, ni ngombwa kubahiriza amategeko y'urwo rurimi. Niyo mpamvu tugomba kwiga icyo twita ikibonezamvugo. Whenever we talk, we should follow the language structure. That's the reason why I will teach you Kinyarwanda grammar. Recently, I've taught you some dialogues that can help you interact with your partners. Mu minsi yabanje nabigishaga ibiganiro bibafasha gushyikirana na bagenzi banyu. Uyu munsi ngiye kubigisha nifashishije ikibonezamvugo. Ariko se n'ayo magambo y'ingenzi ukwiriye kumenya mu rurimi rw'Ikinyarwanda kugira ngo ubashe kuba wakideburiye cyangwa se wakiyeranja, wagerageza kwisobanura igihe uhuye n'abandi. Mwaramutseho, good morning to someone you see nearly every day. Use up until noon, or in some cases only until 10. Mwiriweho or mwiriwe is hello. It is used from noon on. Muraho, it is like hello to someone you see rarely or haven't seen for a long time. Perhaps have never seen before. Amakuru, what's the news? Equivalent of our how are you? Nimeza, this is the answer to amakuru, good news, equivalent of fine. Mwirirweho, or you can say muririrweho, that is goodbye. Used early in the day through early afternoon. Muramukeho, this is like good night. It is used any time after 3 p.m. if you expect to see the person the next day or noon. That is muramukeho. Murabeho is goodbye when you do not expect to see the person again soon. Ye or ye go, yes. Oya is no. Murakoze cyane, thank you very much. Murakoze cyane in English is thank you very much. Ndagushimiye is also thank you. Urashaka iki? What do you want? Iki ni iki? What is this? Uturuka he? Where do you come from? Urajya he? Where are you going? Uragana he? Where are you going? Komeza, continue or keep on. Ongera, do it again or say it again. Rekeraho, stop, that's enough. Buretse, wait, stop. Gerageza, try. Urakorichi, what are you doing? Sinumva, I don't understand. Oh, here. Mfasha, help me. Ngwino, come here. Igitabo kirihe? Where is the book? Ndashaka kwiga Ikinyarwanda. I want to learn Kinyarwanda. So, that is basics or some useful expressions that you can use in daily life. Now, let's go on with lesson 1. Today, we're going to study class 1 Umu and class Aba. Uyu munsi tugiye kwiga inteko ya mbere. Umu. Mu is a person. It is used for people. In the plural, it becomes Aba. I will tell you that. As we take up the study of Kinyarwanda, we must first get a little picture of the structure of the language. The verb is perhaps the most important part of speech because it serves for several parts of speech. However, we'll take that up later and first look at nouns since their class and form affect most of the other words in the sentence. The nouns are found in 10 classes, each class having its own set of prefixes. The prefix of a noun will determine the prefix of other words related to that noun. So, what is class 1? In this class, we find only nouns which are names of people, not necessarily proper nouns. However, some nouns referring to people will be found in other classes. Here are a few words of this class. Umugabo, that means a man who is married or husband. Abagabo is its plural, men or husbands. Umugore, that is a woman who is married or wife. Abagore is plural, women or wives. Umuhungu is a boy or son. Abahungu is plural for umuhungu, boys or sons. Umukobwa is a girl or daughter. The plural is abakobwa. Now, observe that each of these words in a singular begins with umu. That is the singular prefix. The plural prefix is aba. Thus, in the word umugabo, umu is the prefix and gabo is the stem, the unchangeable part. From now on, when you meet a noun of the first class, will be able to form the plural. Some verbs to learn. Arakora. He is working. He works is also possible, or he does or she does. Barakora, they are working, they work or they do. Aragenda, he or she is going, he goes. Gender may not be used when followed by a word of place. In that case, use araja or plural baraja. Example, araja mu Kirambo. He is going to Kirambo. Baragenda, they are going or walking. They go. Arahinga, he or she is hoeing or he hoes. Barahinga, they are hoeing or they hoe. Thus, the singular verb prefix is a, and the plural verb prefix is ba. Note, these verbs may stand alone with no noun or pronoun subject expressed when the person referred to is known. Now, perhaps you can translate these sentences. Translate into English. Umugabo arakora. 2. Abahungu baragenda. 3. Umukobwa arahinga. 4. Umugore arakora. 5. Abagore barahinga. 6. Abagabo barahinga. 7. Umuhungu aragenda. 8. Abakobwa baragenda. 9. Umugore arahinga. 10. Baragenda. Translate into Kinyarwanda the article a and the are not expressed. The boy is hoeing. The girls work. The men are gone. The women are walking. 5. A boy is walking. A girl is walking. No word needed. Boys are working. The man hoes. A woman is going. Women work. This is the end of lesson 1 of Kinyarwanda class. Iri ni iherezo cyangwa se ni umusozo w'isomo rya mbere ryatubwiraga inteko ya mbere mu Kinyarwanda. Twizere ko abantu bakunda ikibonezamvugo uyu munsi b'abanyamahanga babashije gukurikira isomo. I hope those lovers of Kinyarwanda grammar are gonna be interested in this lesson. If that was your first time to watch this channel, please tap subscribe button and like and share. But after tapping the subscribe button, don't forget to tap the bell for the notification. Niba ari ubwa mbere warugeze kuri iyi channel uyu muyoboro, ntiwibagirwe gukanda subscribe kandi unadukunde twishimire ukande like ndetse na share. Yari umwarimu wanyu ubakunda cyane, Jean de Dieu Uwingabiye mu gihugu cy'u Rwanda. Amahirwe masa. That was your Kinyarwanda teacher, Jean de Dieu Uwingabiye from Rwanda. Good luck.